Okay, I got some many updates today. Updates on Ime Okon deal, updates on Mayambela, updates on the Mali keeper. I can't pronounce his name, but I got some updates on players whose contracts will be expiring by the end of this month. Very interesting. Also, updates on DDC players who will be traveling with Kaizer Chiefs to go in Netherlands, and also I will confirm the date of the match between Kaizer Chiefs and FC Utrecht. So let's waste no time. Let's just jump straight into the video. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to the video. Siniphathele zona zishisa. Right now, I have some updates. Let me start with the updates I've just read right now on X, Twitter. The updates on Ime Okon. So apparently, rumors are stating that Ime Okon deal is very close to be a done deal. So Kaizer Chiefs have been interested on signing SuperSports centre back Ime Okon. We all know him. We all saw him lapha kwiBafana Bafana kwi-COSAFA Cup. He was performing strong. And I think we need another centre back, a backup centre back after we release this guy Dove. So let's see what's happened in the next few days. Maybe next week we'll see some few players announcements. Yeah, and today Kaizer Chiefs are back. We're in the village, meeting and greeting, some warm-ups and the club updates. They were there. We didn't see any glimpse of new players or what, but I'm sure they will announce new players if they are there. But we saw that there were youth players there. To mention few of them, that might be traveling with Kaizer Chiefs uh, to Netherlands. So the first one is Tulani Mabaso. Other one, Mangoba Ozoyemen. This one I'm excited to see him next season. Naledi Hlongwane and Kabelo. So these are four players who will be TTC players who will be traveling with Kaizer Chiefs from South Africa to Netherlands. These are the only ones I have right now for now. I will update you again if I get other players, TTC players who will be traveling with Kaizer Chiefs. Now, let's talk about before we talk about Mihlali Mayambela. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and please, I would be happy if you can become a member of the channel by clicking the join button below this video and pay just 29 rand, just 30 rand per month, and be a member. You'll get exclusive packs, stickers, and everything that is exclusive to this channel. So please, if you can, just join to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe, please. Thank you. So let's talk about Mihlali Mayambela. So Mihlali Mayambela is heavily linked with Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know how. I don't know if he is a free agent or Kaizer Chiefs want to buy him, but he's one of the Kaizer Chiefs targets. There were rumors. Mina, I don't make videos if the rumors are not from my trusted sources or anyone. If you can ask anyone who is doing Kaizer Chiefs content here on YouTube, their trusted sources, they will tell you the same. Mickey Jr., Austin Ditlobolo, Lorenzo Cole, there are more. There are more. There's Pelepele and more. There are more trusted sources. So this Mihlali Mayambele story hasn't been confirmed by any trusted sources. It's just pages from Facebook who are spreading rumors around. So let's just wait and see what will be happening with Mihlali Mayambele situation. But the one I know, and has been confirmed by the trusted sources, is this goalkeeper from Mali, who's a goalkeeper for young Africans. So I can't pronounce his name. His name is difficult. Yeah, but his name is Diarra. Kaizer Chiefs bafuna goalkeeper, and we are linked with this guy also with Ronald Lina. You remember I did some updates on Ronaldo Lina. So this guy apparently is linked with Chiefs, but he's also linked with Galatasaray from Turkey. Yeah, Galatasaray is from Turkey. And I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will go for another foreign goalkeeper. I don't think so. So let's see what happens. But for me personally, I like Rinald Lina. He's a good goalkeeper and he's still young. So yeah. Another big update I have for you right now is that today is 20 June. So this means only 10 days left for 10 or 11 days left for this month to end. Ending of this month means players who have contracts that will end this year, they will be expiring, and some of those players are the players that we love or like, or players. Let me just read them. I have like 5 of them. First one, George Matlow. George Matlow we've been talking about like for a long time now. His contract is expiring. They are not uh, extending his contract as far as we know. Uh, yeah, I'm sure many Kaizer Chiefs fans will be disappointed that the guy is going, but it is what it is. Let's just see what the management and other parts of Kaizer Chiefs will do. Let's move on to Castillo. I didn't know that Castillo's contract was expiring, but yeah, I did a research and found that his contract is expiring on June 30 or 31 by the end of this month. So he might leave for free unless Kaizer Chiefs extend his contract. Frosler, another guy we've been talking about ever since, hasn't signed his contract extension, uh, and his contract is ending by the end of this month. Another interesting one is Yusuf Mat. Yusuf Mat, we all knew that his contract is expiring. If we ask Besin Buza from January, ukuthi, would you extend Yusuf Mat's contract the answer would be the same. Most of Kaizer Chiefs fans, maybe 70% or 80%, will say, no, we are not extending Yusuf Maat's contract. But if I can ask them now, will you extend Yusuf Maat's contract? Many of Kaizer Chiefs fans will answer with yes, because the guy has improved a lot. So I'm surprised that Kaizer Chiefs haven't extended the contract of our captain. The other one that is surprising is Tutuzu Shabalala. Well, I'm not sure about him, about his contract, but rumors, being rumored, says that Tutuzu Shabalala contract is also expiring. So we'll see. We'll just see, guys. We'll see what Kaizer Chiefs will do. So the other advice I want to give you guys is that don't go on Facebook and search Kaizer Chiefs news. You will see lots of not good updates on Kaizer Chiefs. Just wait for trusted sources to confirm news, or Kaizer Chiefs itself, yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, or just wait for Kaizer Chiefs page to confirm the news, or wait for the guys like Mickey Jr. They will confirm the news, or this guy from SABC, Jay Molev. So that's a warning, guys. By the way, tell me in the comments if out of these 5 players I've counted, who would you like to extend his contract? Matlo, Castillo, Frosler, Matt, and Shabalala. By the way, thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Let me know what do you think about the player leaving, and also about Mayambele and Ime Okon. I'll see you on another video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Danko.